Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Children, we will study about the subtraction facts up to 7. I hope you have understood how to find out the subtraction facts for the numbers. I told you we have to learn the subtraction facts up to 10 in this chapter. I hope you have completed the exercise problems that are given in the previous class. So, today we will discuss the subtraction facts for the numbers 8, 9 and 10. So, children, let us start. First, we will discuss the subtraction facts for 8. We know for finding the subtraction facts, we have to subtract some numbers from the given number. Here, we have to find out the subtraction facts for 8. So, we have to subtract 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 from the given number. Here, the given number is 8. Shall we start? Okay. First, we are going to subtract 0 from 8. We know 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Here we can use the property of subtraction. So we can write 8 here. Next one, 8 minus 1. Again we can use the property. So we have to find out which number comes before 8. Because subtracting 1 from a number gives the number before as the answer. So which number comes before 8? 7. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next we have to subtract 2 from 8. Here we can use your fingers. Take 8 fingers, then fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers are left? 6. So our answer will come 6. Then 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers, fold 3 fingers. How many fingers are left here? 5. That is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then 8 minus 4. Again you can use your finger. Take 8 fingers, fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Then 8 minus 5. Take 8 fingers, fold 5 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3. That is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Next, 8 minus 6. Take 8 fingers, fold 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers are left? 2 fingers. So we can write here 2. That is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next, 8 minus 7. Do you know what is 8 minus 7? Yes, it's 1. So we can write here 1. The last one, 8 minus 8. Here we can use the property. If any number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. That is 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. See children, these are the subtraction facts for the number 8. The number 8 has 9 subtraction facts. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss the subtraction facts for the number 9. See, these are the subtraction facts table for 9. We have to find out the answers here. Okay, let us start. Yes. First one, 9 minus 0. What will be the answer when we subtract 0 from 9? It's 9 itself. So we can write here 9. Then 9 minus 1. See, here I have drawn 9 circles. We have to subtract 1 from 9. So we can cut 1 circles. Then count the remaining circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write here 8. Next we have to subtract 2 from 9. So here we can cross out 2 circles. 1, 2. Then count the remaining circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is 7. Then we have to find out 9 minus 3. So we can cross out 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Then count the remaining circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Next we have to subtract 4 from 9. So we can cross out 4 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5. Next we have to subtract 5 from 9. So here we can cross out 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count the number of remaining circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write here 4. Next we have to subtract 6 from 9. That is, we have to cross out 6 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then count the remaining circles. 1, 2, 3. So we can write here 3. Next we have to subtract 7 from 9. So we can cross out 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many circles left here? 1, 2. So our answer becomes 2. That is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Next we have to subtract 8 from 9. So we can cross out 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here? How many circles left? Only 1. So our answer becomes 1. That is 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Then the last one, 9 minus 9. We know if any number is subtracted from itself, what will be the answer? The answer is 0. So here we can write 0. So children, these are the subtraction facts for the number 9. Next, we are going to learn the subtraction facts for the number 10. Children, do you remember the backward counting? Here, we are going to find out the answers by backward counting. Let us start. Okay. The first we have to find out the answer 10 minus 0. It's very simple. We know the answer is 10 itself. The next one, 10 minus 1. How will you find out the answers by backward counting? So first keep the bigger number in your mind, smaller number in your hand. Here which is the bigger number? 10. And which is the smaller number? 1. So take the number 1 in your finger and count backward from 10. That is 9. Okay. The next one, 10 minus 2. So we take 2 fingers and count backward from 10. That is 9 and 8. So what will be the answer? 8. Next, 10 minus 3. So we can take 3 fingers. Then count backward from 10. That is 9, 8, 7. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. The next one, 10 minus 4. So we can take 4 fingers. Then count backward from 10. That is 9, 8, 7, 6. So what will be the answer? 6. Next we have to find out 10 minus 5. So we can take 5 fingers. Then count backward from 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What will be the answer? 5. So we can write here 5. Next we have to subtract 6 from 10. So we can take 6 fingers. Then count backward from 10. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So what will be the answer? 4. Then we have to find out 10 minus 7. So we have to take 7 fingers, then count backward from 10. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So what will be the answer? 3. Next we have to subtract 8 from 10. So we have to take 8 fingers, then count backward from 10. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So our answer is 2. So we can write here 2. Then 10 minus 9. So we can take 9 fingers, then count backward from 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. The last one, 10 minus 10. What is the answer? 0. Okay. So children, these are the subtraction facts for the number 10. I hope you have understood how to find out the subtraction facts. Children, you have to do the exercise problems in your textbook, page number 47 and 48. See, here you have to write the answers. This is the subtraction facts table for 8. And the next page you can see the subtraction facts table for 9 and 10. You have to write the answers in it, and also you have to write the notes that I have attached along with this video. Children, study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.